Hi, this is Fred with Quality One Engravers. I'm going to give you a short lesson on the split program. I'll go to my C drive, go to my One logos, and I know I made a directory called Christian High, and the customer sent me this file, key 49, that the program crashed, the make logo program crashed when he was doing it. So usually that's an indicator, or it is an indicator that something is very wrong or the file's too big. And usually it's too big. So I'm going to click on it once, and I can go under edit. Somewhere in here is rename, but I know the hotkey is F2, and I'm going to rename this just the logo. Okay, and now I'm going to start a program called Split, and I'm going to go to Run, Browse, and I knew where it's at. But anyways, here's the C drive. I'm going to go to the Quality directory. And in the Quality directory is the Split folder, and then here's Split exe. So here's logo DAT, and what I'm going to do is click on Split, and I can't use the current directory because it's looking at the C drive, or where the split is. So I need to input a folder and put a new path. Press the letter I, C:\/ one logos, / just the word Christ, which is the first 6 letters, and then a ~1, and then hit enter. Okay, and this is the DOS way of doing it. I may try at the end to show you another way of doing this. Anyways, there's the logo DAT, and I need to process the logo. So I hit the letter P for process, and usually I tell it no, not to delete, and type the file name to process is just the word logo. And it read it and found out there's 16,431 points, and the right and left, it's 4 inches. Left is 0, right is 3.999. The height is exactly 4. So whatever it is has a nice square box around it, or something very, very close to being square. I'm going to hit the letter P for process. And sometimes when you're building a logo like this, you intentionally put a box around it, and it takes 5 coordinate points to define a box. So if those were the first points that you exported, this program would be able to take it out. Now I am guessing that was not done on this logo, so I'm going to just hit the letter no, not to take out the first 5 coordinates. And then it says type starting key, and in this case, or in almost all cases, it defaults to the number 1, and that's what you want to use. So you can see it did number 1 and number 2 very quickly. And yes, I want to make a title file, and CHRIS Christian High, hit enter, and there's what it's created. Now this is when I quit out of the program. I just hit the letter Q for quit. So here's what I have now. I have a key 49 and a key 50 and a title file. I don't usually like the title file that Split makes, so I'm going to come down here, and because it has no extension, it doesn't know what to open it in, so you just open it in Notepad. And I like my titles in my font directory to be upper and lower case. So CHRISTIANHIGH. You got 24 characters that could be. And then I'm going to just get rid of I'm going to use the word Christ, and then a dash and an H for high, because this is going to be the DOS name that it's going to be given. And then I'll close that out and say yes to save it. So I'm all ready to run make logo. So I click on Start, Programs, Engraving Programs, and there's make logo. And I can show you the harder way. Programs, Engraving Programs, make logo. Now I could have also done the run and gone to the Quality directory and gone to logos and found this also. I'm going to lose you on the screen for just a moment. I think I got you back now. I just had to put it in a little bit of a smaller window. Now I'm going to press number 1 for the source of the DAT files. Now, I've already run this logo or run this program and did a scan of my hard drive. Normally, the first time that you run it, it's going to take a few moments. So I'm going to go Alt C. I can see when I get to, and you can see this is also Christ_1 and hit enter. And then for the most part, if your quality program is on this computer, you're going to put it in the quality logos directory. But in this case, I'm sending it back to the customer, and I don't need to put his logos on my computer. So press number 2, Alt C, 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 and I'm going to find the same directory, and now the source and the target are going to be the same. If I want, in this case, I can press number 5 and I can read what the title file is. Make sure that it's right. Christian High, artwork 4 inches, and the kern value is exactly 4. So if you type in a 4-inch letter and then you do a back kern, it will move back 4 inches. So the text you will type is 1 back kern 2. Then I'm going to just click on the letter S and success. And I can just close out this program. And now you can see here's the Christ H logo. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try something. I'm going to just delete this so that my program, I guess it really didn't matter. I could have left it there. But I'm going to go Start, Run, and go to my command prompt, CMD, and hit enter. And I'm going to CD \1 logos and hit enter. So I'm in my 1 logos directory, and now I can go CD space, and I can type CH Christian High, HIGH. So I'm in the 1 logos directory. I did a CD \1 logos, and now once I'm in the 1 logos, CD Christian High. Now remember, you have to type it in exactly. And now I'm in Christian CD High. Now I don't know if I can type split here. I'll try. Okay, so now I'm in split, and now I can use the letter C, and see how it sees the key 49 and key 50. So I can rename these at this time to something else, but that's another way of using the split program in order to run this. I hope this helped you.